Hello everyone and welcome back to the Timid Gardener. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to harvest seeds from bell peppers. Whether you have green, red, yellow, or orange bell peppers, this guide will help you turn your grocery store purchases into a flourishing garden. Let's get started. So, first things first, you'll want to choose the ripest bell peppers. Ripe bell peppers usually have a vibrant color and are slightly soft to the touch. In today's video, we'll be using both your red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Carefully slice your bell peppers in half from top to bottom. Be gentle to avoid damaging the seeds inside. Once it's open, you'll see a cluster of seeds attached to the stem in the inner white membrane. These are the seeds we will be harvesting. Use your fingers or a small spoon to gently scrape the seeds away from the stem and membrane. Place them in the bowl for the next step. And in my case, I placed them on a piece of paper to dry. Now, although this next step is not shown in the video, it is important to clean your seeds to remove any remaining pulp and plant materials. Rinse them under cool running water while gently rubbing them to clean them thoroughly. It's important. After rinsing, spread the seeds out on a paper towel or a clean cloth to dry. Make sure they are in a single layer to ensure even drying. This process can take a few days, depending on the humidity in your environment. Once the seeds are completely dry, it's time to store them. Place the dried seeds in a labeled envelope or a small airtight container. Be sure to write the date and the type of pepper on the label. Store your seeds in a cool, dry place until you're ready to plant them. And when you're ready to plant, simply sow the seed in a seed starting tray or directly into your garden. Follow the planting instructions for bell peppers. With proper care, you'll soon have your very own homegrown bell peppers. And that's it. Harvesting seeds from store-bought bell peppers is simple and rewarding. Not only do you save money, but you also get to enjoy the full cycle of growing your own food. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Until next time.